Okay, hello everyone. For those of you who are still struggling with Teams, I will explain how to use Teams. Okay, first, I will explain how to use chat. Second, how to handle an assignment. And third, how to use class notebook. And fourth, how to use files. Okay. If you guys have any questions to me, I want you to use this new chat button. So, some students actually email me, but I get so many emails every day. So I just prefer you to use chat button instead of emailing me because I get so many emails from office and other teachers. So I want to keep my students' message in Teams, so it is easier for me if you just use this chat button. So chat button here, right? Okay, so you have to find me. So my first name is Grace, but if you just type Grace Lee, there's so many other Graces. We have 3 Grace Lee teachers and 1 student. So you should be careful. You have to put J in between Grace and Lee. Because it's myself, it doesn't show me my name. But if you type Grace J. Lee, you will be able to see my name and message me, alright? Okay, and next, how to handle your assignment. Okay, assignment, go to assignment. This is the student view, and your first assignment, it's showing you when the due tomorrow at 3 p.m. Due Friday at 3 p.m. Instruction, type your answers in the file attached and submit by this Friday. And if you click this on, you will be able to see the assignment. And to do your assignment, you click edit document. So click either. So you can edit in desktop app or edit in browser. So let's edit in browser. Okay? And I have my own computer. So write the answers like this. Alright? So this is how you do your assignment. And if you just close it, it will auto save what you've done in your assignment. Okay? So close it. It will auto save. And point. One point possible. So for this assignment, I'm just checking the completion. As long as you submit it, I'm gonna give you 1 point. Okay? So this assignment is for me to connect with you, and I want to check if you're able to use the assignment tool. Alright? Okay, next, I'm gonna explain how to use the class notebook. Okay, go to class notebook tab, and I want you to click this little arrow. Okay, click this on, and you will be able to see collaboration space and content library. So if you click the collaboration space, you will be able to see this weekly riddle. I'm going to post the riddle every week. I want you to collaborate together to answer the riddle. Okay? Here. Okay, it's better to click this on to expand the tab and read the riddle and collaborate with your classmates. So this is what my grade 9 students did. They are collaborating together to answer the riddle. Okay? You can even open in browser or app. You can use your OneNote app to answer this riddle. Okay? And also, if you want to share your own riddle with your classmates, so you can just simply add a page. And here, my riddle. Hello, class. I am sharing my riddle. And write your riddle, okay? Next, content library. I am posting all the announcement in content library, and I am posting the lesson notes and video link in the content library, chapter 8. Here. I already posted all the lesson notes here and the video links. Okay, so if you click this on, you will be able to see me doing lesson, okay? So I want you to watch the video and try to learn math. Okay, here's the completed lesson notes. So while you're watching the video, try to take notes and try to teach yourself too. Okay, again, you can use the browser, or if you have OneNote app, you can open an app to see it in your OneNote app, like this. Okay? All right, next, let's go to Files. So I want you to click this Files tab. I will be posting all the worksheets and completed notes and blank notes in the File tab, okay? So if you click this blank note, you will be able to see the note package. Okay, Math 9 8.0 note package. So you can just simply print this out and fill in the notes while you're watching it. Or if you don't have a printer, so you can just use a blank paper and try to take note while you're watching the video lesson. All right? Okay, if you go to completed notes, here, completed notes, you will be able to see the completed notes. Click this on. Here, video lesson link, and you will be able to see all the completed lesson notes here. Okay, hopefully now you guys understand how to use Teams. So thanks for watching. See you later.